Hey, what's going on, guys? Joe Battaglia here. I ride for Colony BMX, Raw Superfoods, Space Brace, Dan's Comp, Union Square Shoes, Dead Crow Army, and High Stick. And this is what I ride, guys. I ride the 20.6 mate frame. I ride the Alex Heim Sweet Tooth bars, the Alex Heim Sweet Tooth forks, 9.3, 25 mil offset, the square back stem, which I absolutely love. The Geo is fantastic. I ride the Colony headset. I'm riding the 165 millimeter venator cranks, the fantastic plastic pedals, low profile, great grip. I'm rocking a 25 tooth blaster sprocket, which is extremely interesting. A lot of people dig it and I dig it. It looks like a bash guard, but it isn't a bash guard. A Shadow halfwing chain, Colony grip lock tires in camo. I ride the Colony mushroom grips in camo. The Colony metal bar ends, which are amazing. I ride the Colony Brethren black brakes, clear pads, an Odyssey small lever, and an Odyssey slick linear cable. I'm riding the Wasp complete wheels because they're just amazing and indestructible. Colony seat post, polished. And I'm riding a Merit Brandon Began seat. Shout out Began, miss you, bud. This is the magic horse. This is what I ride. You should ride one too.